Hey guys, this is Eric Truxton of Just It's Electric, and we're back. This week we're going to be concentrating on home renovations, and in particular, your electrical panel. If you're renovating your kitchen or bathroom, couple things you need to do. First thing you need to do electrically is check your panel and see, number one, if it has any spaces in it, and number two, if it's safe or not. And I mean, if you want to pre-inspect before I actually get there, hopefully, but an electrician gets there, just shut the breakers off and on and see if they work or not. Before I get there, if you're doing kitchen renovations, you want to have all the walls that are going to be torn down or whatever clear. And you also want me to be able to have a clear path to actually look at and make sure that all the wiring in the walls is relatively new so that we can get them back to the panel. One of the popular things now in bathrooms are people want to almost watch television, but as close as they can get, they want to listen to the radio or hum and sing and all that. You know how you have all these shower Beethovens or singers. Well, anyhow, what they do is we have Bluetooth exhaust fans that go up in the ceiling, go in the wall, and while you're getting all the moisture out of the bathroom, you're also able to sing and dance and everything else because you'll have your own music. Inside a kitchen, plenty of times, you might want to work on your computer and stuff like that, especially now, or talk on your phone, and it might need to be charged, especially now with all the home offices going on. So what you want to do is have the USB cords put, definitely, that's a priority in the kitchen. Bathrooms, to be honest, people are almost relaxing in their bathrooms now. We're putting in more light switches, we're putting in the Bluetooth radio that we talked about earlier, and they just want to be really comfortable. It's almost like another room. Plus, the biggest thing that they do now also is everybody wants to be warm. They don't like having cold feet when they get out the shower. So you have the mats that they put underneath the floor that give you heat, and you can control them in the bathroom. Thank you for coming. That's a wrap for today. If you need an electrician for your kitchen or bathroom renovation, here I am right here, Just It's Electric. For more video content, subscribe below. I'll see you next week for more.